everyone, this is Alex and Olena's channel, and in this video we're gonna show you Hotel Danylo Inn in Lviv. They're located right next to the King Danylo statue. This is how buildings look from the outside. They don't have a giant sign, so pay attention when you try to find them. Sometimes it's not that obvious. Hotel located in one of the historical buildings. This is first floor entrance, and this is some mystery cool door and brick walls. Here's the old authentic staircase. And the staircase leads you on a second floor where reception is. Lobby is small, simple but functional. Staff is really polite and professional. Staircase is old and squeaky, but at the same time it's kinda historical. While you're going up from the window you can see Galitska Street. My standard room was located on the 5th floor, which is the highest floor in a hotel. They don't provide water bottles. Instead of it, they have carafe in the room, but you can refill right here. And right now we're inside of the room. I think it's standard double room and about $45 per person. The hotel is nice. It's located in one of that old building right behind the statue of King Danylo. First, the key, it's actually actual physical key. This is from the room and this is from the front door because it's I think it used to be a residential house. This is the bed looks like. Everything looks nice and clean, it's relatively wide. Here's night table, remote for air conditioner, remote for TV, and earplug. Here is the wardrobe. Let's see what's inside. Slippers on the bottom, couple empty shelves, and some space for clothes and hangers. Right next to the door is a mirror. Small TV. Small rack for the luggage. Right here, I'm on the 5th floor, and here is ceiling that kind of goes sideways. I think I'm somewhere like closer to the roof. That's why ceiling is so low. Here's carafe for water, what I can fill outside my bedroom, and this is the tea kettle, cups, instant coffee, and green and black tea. The window is on a roof, so let's check what we can see from the window. Yeah, I was right. This room is right on this attic, so you can see the roof. Also, you can close the shade if you don't want sun go into your room and if you want it to be dark. And air conditioner is right above the drawer. Now let's check out the bathroom. Not a big bathroom. Everything looks clean from the first side. Here's hair dryer, hand wash, body lotion, and shower gel. 2 cups for the toothbrush, hair shampoo and hair conditioner right here. So if you want to go in shower, you can take a shower and you need to take them with you. It's kind of one of that waterfall shower and also handful shower inside. Towel dryer, clean towels, and that's about it. And I think it's kind of like a vanity mirror. Yeah. So far, it's a nice impression from the room. It's right in the city center of Lviv, so close to the Arena Square and everything else. I'm gonna check out the breakfast. The breakfast works you pre-order something and they deliver it to your room. So maybe I even try the breakfast and I'm gonna show you how is it, or maybe not. Room looks nice, clean, authentic, kind of like roof of the old building. Basically everything you need inside in a city center of Lviv, and I like it so far. I just tried to order the breakfast and it's 10 p.m. currently, and the breakfast in Danylo Inn you can only order ahead at the reception before 9 p.m. Unfortunately, after 10 you cannot, after 9 you cannot really order breakfast for the next day. But there's a lot of breakfast spots around the town, so I'm not really disappointed. But this is something to keep in mind. If you're planning to get breakfast, better do it before 9 p.m. This is breakfast menu what I access by scanning QR code in the reception. Price is a little bit more expensive than prices in a restaurant around the hotel. And also one more thing worth mentioning, I asked guy in the lobby, can I leave my bag here from 12 till around 5 or 6. He said, yeah, no problem, you can leave it right here with no extra charge. So they can store your luggage before you check in or after you check in. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next videos. Bye.